Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your Homekit hub is online and updated because Matter routes through that hub for secure control. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone so discovery works. Make sure the device is powered and in factory pairing mode. Many Matter products flash a specific LED. Now open the Home app and tap Add Accessory. This begins pairing. You're initiating a secure connection. That step lets Homekit exchange credentials with the Matter device. You'll now let Homekit discover the Matter device. It may appear automatically or after choosing the manual discovery option. When prompted, scan the QR code or type the 8-digit setup code. This authenticates the device to your home. Follow any device prompts, like choosing a room and naming it, because those settings affect automations and Siri control. If the device requests a firmware update, install it now. Updates resolve compatibility and security issues, so don't skip this step. Finish by assigning a clear name and room so Siri and automations target the right accessory. You should test on /off, level changes, and a sample scene to confirm responsiveness. Automations verify cloud and local logic. If something fails, try a quick reboot of your Homekit hub and the Matter device, because transient network or state issues are common. If that doesn't help, perform the device's factory, reset procedure, and retry pairing within 2 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.